Want to memorialize your day in selfies? Start in the morning. Phew, what a day! How did she do that? Tape, a cutout, and a good camera. And she didn't even need to leave the house. Tragedy, crisis, catastrophe! My boyfriend dumped me! How could he? I need to tear up everything that reminds me of him and make him jealous. I'll make it look like my new boyfriend gave me a gorgeous bouquet of roses. I'll put my hands together like I'm holding a huge expensive bouquet. Take a picture, and then put on a sticker of a bouquet. Wow, it looks so real. I can practically smell the roses. Great work. Upload it and make that jerk regret it. Hey, bro, check this out. Your ex has a new man. He gave her this crazy bouquet. I need to reply somehow. And I know how. I'll look through the drawer of things my other ex-girlfriends left behind. Fake nails and nail polish. I'll make it look like there's a real beauty queen here. First, put the fake nails with red polish on my friend's hand. Well, bro, you are gonna owe me. I'm not used to such a fancy manicure. Take a couple of romantic photos. I only need your hand. Perfect. What? Did you see that? Who's that witch with a fierce manicure? She's clinging to my ex. I can't handle this. Here's another idea for an interesting photo. Cover your phone's flash with clear tape and color it in with a blue marker. Stick a stencil of the moon and stars to a mirror and spray it with water. Take the template off. Turn off the lights and take a picture of the mysterious landscape. What an unusual effect! A city on the moon or on a whole other planet? You decide! What a great group of friends! Whoa! Even a unicorn showed up! We need to take a selfie! Whoa! There are so many people here that don't all fit in the picture! What should we do? Here's an idea. We'll use a mirror to take a group pic. And the photographer will be in the photo with us, but in the reflection. Now we all fit! Want an interesting breakfast photo? Get a yummy cup of tea. Upload a normal flat lay photo to your story and choose the Insert Photo option from the sticker section. Take a funny selfie and put your own portrait right inside the teacup. Now add a funny caption. This tea is piping hot. If you're a big fan of Billie Eilish and you want a photo just like hers, then nature will help you. This fern fell into the perfect hands. It really does look like her hair. Put the fern leaf on your head. It looks just like her dyed green roots. Also, glue some leaves to your nails. Now your cosplay is ready! Were you drawing a car but you accidentally rubbed a hole in the windshield? Oops! Although, that might make an excellent picture frame. Cut the windshield out of a drawing of a car and put your friends' faces inside. Let's go! This road trip will be awesome! What a gorgeous mural! Let's do our photo shoot right here! I just need to fix my makeup. Where's my mirror? Wow! Look at this awesome mirror effect! Let's use it for our photos! Take the mirror in your hands. Ask your assistant for help. And hug so that your reflections are looking into the camera. It's a cool effect for an awesome photo! Do you want to go to the ocean, but you are stuck at home? You can still upload a cool oceanic photo. Print out someone else's underwater pic. Put a picture of the sky on your screen. Sit in front of it and set up the photo so that the bodies line up. Now it looks like you are really there. Cool! It's like I went swimming in the ocean. You don't have your phone or camera with you, but your heart wants a selfie? Use your head and a scanner. Put your face down and scan it. But be careful! The photo looks a little wrinkled, but that only makes it more special. A yellow t-shirt and a colorful background? I look more like a minion than like a manly man. I need some help. Let's fix this. Change into black clothes and I'll fix the background. Color cardboard with black acrylic paint. And poke holes in it. Whoa, that looks awesome! Way better already! Now, sit in front of the background and I'll light it up from the back. That's way better! Do a manly pose. You are a real star boy! The waiter very generously brought us too many straws. I think we can use them as props for our next photo. Connect the straws and make an unusual crown. Use more, don't be shy. This is so avant-garde. Light it from below. Wow! Try to guess what she's thinking about. Her brain is like an incredible maze. Want an unusual portrait? What about eating yourself? First, take a photo of yourself in the right pose. Excellent! Print it out and cut out your body. And put it in your mouth. Cannibalism? Nope, just a great example of Photoshop in real life. This photo practically says, I'm so sweet that I'd eat myself if I could. I want to take an icy photo on a hot day like this. Take a shelf out of the fridge and let's go. Put fake snow onto the shelf. Clean some of the surface with a pencil. And put ice from the freezer on top. Lie underneath the shelf and use the ice as a picture frame. A portrait of the Ice Queen! Hashtag IceAge2020. Want to create a glitchy effect without using a special app? Then use your own photo and a scanner. Scan the printout, moving the picture in the direction of the scan. A real glitch effect without any extra effort. Whoa! My computer screen is giving off a soft pink light. Why not use that as a filter? Choose a pink picture. Turn off the overhead lights and take sweet, feminine selfies. What a pretty effect! It really is La Vie en Rose! If you love Disney, then you can easily look like Ursula in a picture. Get rid of all the extra stuff. Squeeze toothpaste out onto the countertop. And get in a scary pose. Hashtag send my regards to Ariel. Show me my mistakes. They are so small that I can't even see them. But I can magnify them using a bottle. There's an idea! You can use a bottle of water to make a cool photo. Make your eyes huge so you look like a doll. Miss, why are your eyes so big? The better to see through this bottle. Amazing! Want to take cool photos in the kitchen? We have a couple sharp ideas. Hold a knife in front of you. And I'll throw a pre-sliced orange onto it. Everyone will think you are a master chef. But it's just a photo trick. You can do the same thing with a coconut. Look out! There's a ninja in the kitchen! Did you like our photo hacks? Then comment below and tell us which one you can't wait to try. Billie Eilish and a fern, a face in a scanner, an ice photo, or an ocean illusion. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any cool, useful life hacks from Troom.